Do you want to make eye-catching and top-level videos? Grab the booster pack from Motionland. It's a must-have graphics pack for motion designers, video editors, and bloggers. Boost your efficiency and do everything 10 times faster. Work smart and earn more. Import and preview any element in a few clicks with the most powerful media browser, Viewer. Create unlimited combinations from more than 3,000 elements made by top-notch experts. Typography. Change types, color, size in a blink of an eye. And do so with all elements. Dynamic backgrounds, bright transitions, and all types of titles that you can easily combine. Massive library of 2D and 3D presets. You just thought about the animation and there it is. Make accents and engage your viewers with juicy text presets. Rise the conversion up to heaven with the social media set. Simplify your animation process and choose movement animations. Or apply curves to your keyframes. Animation consistency is no longer a brainer. Make impressive accents on crucial frames with shapes, and make your message hit the spot with ready-to-use icons. Try animated typefaces. Fine-tune each symbol and steal the show. And all of this in one booster pack. Buy it now and boost yourself.